If you want to photograph the Milky Way, one of the most important things is getting the timing right. The Milky Way core is only visible for certain months of the year. Its location varies in the sky night by night. And you need to factor in the phase of the moon so that you can be under the darkest skies. Previously, this might have involved a PDF calendar that was for your region, or trawling your way through some planetarium software and cross-referencing with a moon phase calendar. I'm going to show you how to create a bespoke Milky Way plan just for you based on your specific location in under a minute, and it'll be way better than any of those methods you were using before. With it, you can plan your Milky Way shooting for the next 6 months and beyond, knowing the exact dates when you're going to have the best chance. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to open up any free AI chatbot like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. For what we're doing, any free plan or any of these are fine. I'm using Gemini because that's just what I generally use most. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a chat. I'm going to say, what days/times will the Milky Way be above Boulder, Colorado, and coincide with the moon plus or minus 4 days in 2026. You can see here what it's giving me, a bit of an intro, and then you have prime viewing periods, and it's nailed down essentially 5 windows that are within what you call the Milky Way season and also coincide with the new moon. You have the new moon date specified, plus or minus 4 days, so still with relatively dark skies. I followed up with a question, for each prime viewing period, what time of the night will provide the best opportunity to photograph the core, the galactic core? And so it's gone, each of those 5 windows it's given me, it's told me the specific hours when I would need to be out. So the May window, it says between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. If you look down, say the August window, it's saying early to late evening. Then another question, for each of these periods, in what direction will I need to face to photograph the Milky Way? So again, for each of those 5 windows, it's saying May, southeast, August, south-southwest, September, southwest. So this can help me know which direction I want to face if I've got a location in mind where I want to shoot from. So say there's a lake or a mountain or just any location near me, which I think would be a good place. I know to find a spot which will be facing south or southeast or southwest. Then I've said, bring all this together to create me a Milky Way photography planner for Boulder, Colorado that I can print. Right, I've got a 2026 guide here. 5 windows, it's saying May, the new moon date, the best time to shoot, and the direction to face. Really good information. Then just to make this a little bit better, I've said do that again, but add to this locations which are in 2 hours drive of Boulder, Colorado, that offer the lowest light pollution level. It's specified 6 locations which are within doable distance, depending on your appetite. You know, you might want to go 1 hour, you might be willing to go 3-4 hours to get the right shot and find those dark skies. Then I've brought it all together. So now I have a 1 or 2 page planner which I can print out, nails down the exact windows for when it's going to be perfect for my exact location. So you can use your town or city, you could use your postal code, you can use however specific you want to get. Obviously this also works if you're planning to travel somewhere. Let me know if you found this useful, if you have any questions, or if there's anything I'd missed which you would want to put in a Milky Way calendar for the next 12 months. I feel like this is a super easy and clear way to create a real ultra specific plan for me that's way better than online Milky Way calendars that are a bit complicated. It's easier than trawling through an app like PhotoPills or Stellarium, although they're very good and you might want to use them to really nail down where you're going to face and the compositions you want to get. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions about that. Obviously, planning is only one element of this. You also need the right gear. I have a cheat sheet down below which you can download, which is an astrophotography gear cheat sheet for beginners. Really good resource for knowing what the best options are for different budgets. You could also check out this video here, which investigates what the best Milky Way photographers in the year are using to get some amazing photos.